Hi, Road Warriors. Dr. Mary Warren here. Hey, we've been talking about building your health reserves for 2022, and it's a beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. So I'm out having a little bit of fresh air and taking a walk, and just thought I would encourage you to do the same thing. You know, one of the best things we can do for ourselves is to get outside and take a walk and just be in fresh air and have a little bit of fun and be thankful for what's going on around us. I know I've talked about that in the past, but we never can be too thankful, and I think it's a good thing to do, and it's easy to do when we're outside, whether we're traveling or homebound for work or whatever it is we're doing. And when you are traveling, it's easy to pack just a pair of clogs or multi-purpose shoes that will let you go out for a walk, or hit the treadmill in your gym at the hotel you're staying at, or even if you're staying with personal friends, if you're lucky enough to do that when you're traveling. It's easy just to multitask your shoes and clothes, and that way you don't have to pack a lot of extra things and or take home sweaty stuff. A friend of mine back a couple of years ago suggested, working out, just if you're in your hotel room, get 2 or 3 extra towels, put those on the floor, and just work out in your undergarments. And that way you don't have to pack up any sweaty clothes, which I thought was a great idea. Mike Mooney, I'm super appreciative for that idea. A lot of times just staying streamlined when we're traveling is a really good thing. So is staying healthy. So I'll see you next time, Road Warriors. Stay well.